To delete a user on your switch to, go down to Settings, select with A, go down to User. From here, select the user you want to delete. I want to delete this one, so I'm going to select it with the A. Go at the very bottom of that page and select Delete User. You can read that over here saying that it will delete everything related to that account on your console. But of course, this does not delete your Nintendo account. It's just remove it from the console. So hit the check mark, hit next, and confirm again with delete this user. And there we go. The user will be deleted in a few seconds. There we go. If you go back to the home page, now you can see that there's only one user. So I hope this was helpful.